Have you ever been told to sing something parlando and thought, am I supposed to sing or talk or both? Well, welcome to the world of vocal drama. Let's break it down. Parlando comes from the Italian word parlare, which means to speak. Now, in music, parlando means to sing in a speech-like style. It's rhythmic, it's expressive, it's kind of like half singing, half speaking, but with intention and control. Think of it as the musical version of dramatic storytelling with pitch. So, for instance, this piece of music that you're looking at on your screen is Si mi chiamano Mimi, Mimi's aria from Puccini's opera La Bohème. And you can see in this little excerpt that the melody is not very interesting, right? It is just there for her to tell her story in a speech-like manner. And the orchestra underneath plays just a snippet of the melodic theme of the aria. So this is what it sounds like. La storia mia è breve, a te la seta ricca, ma in casa e fuori. Okay? Now, because Parlando is one of your most powerful storytelling tools, this is why you should care about it. In opera and art song, it's used to highlight emotional intensity or urgency when a full-on legato line might feel too polished or slow. Think Strauss, Mahler, or even Sondheim. And don't even get me started on cabaret. Parlando is basically a lifestyle there. So the key is control. You're not just talking, you're shaping sound with rhythm, inflection, and clarity. Every word needs to land. So when a coach says, give me more parlando, they're asking you to drop the polish and get real, intimate, urgent, like I need you to understand me right now kind of energy. So if this helped you unlock your inner vocal storyteller, give it a like and hit subscribe for more savvy singer insights like this one. And do you have a favorite parlando moment in a song? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what gives you the chills.